guys, well, you're welcome, and that's a wonderful addition of Flash Fund Bearer. How to use Flash Bearer. Today I will be teaching you guys, like I promised, I will be going through the functions and how to use the Flash Fund Bearer. Okay, without wasting much time, if you're just joining, please go back to my video to watch how to log in or create a Flash Fund Bearer account. Okay, today I will be going with the first bank. There is a verification bank account, without wasting much time. Let me teach you what is used for this bank verification. Is in a case whereby you want to make transfer to somebody. Okay, what you have to do, you need to confirm the person's name so the person knows that you asked him. So name, the person will confirm yes before doing transfer. Okay, that's why the function is there. So but today I'll be teaching you guys how to do it. Right now you click on the verify bank account. Okay, you allow it to load and you click on try it now. Okay, what you do now, you want to get the details of the person's account you're making transfer to, but and you just input it on this place, and it will bring out the person's details. Then you confirm. Okay, but as well, we'll be using this very Flash Fund Bearer already jotted down. So let me use it as Sterling Bank. Yeah, so that's Sterling Bank, and the numbers that are 8517117832. Okay, then you click on verify. Yeah, as you can see, look at the right up there, the first name there is a Flash account Bearer. Also, you have to just confirm the person. This is the account name Flash Fund Bearer. If the person is once you confirm, then you can click that verify, and you once you say verify, you go back. Understand? Then you start your Flash to Flash. Okay, that is how it works. Please, if you're joining me, kindly like and subscribe. I will be teaching you the tutorial even on how you can create the account and how you can transfer. Thanks and peace out.
For more hacks and tutorials, subscribe and hit that notification bell to be updated when we post a new video. Thanks for watching.